Hey, it's Al guys, and once again, what's up? Here we are to unbox. Kung naaalala ninyo, meron akong previous video which is unboxing of the Lilac album of IU. Pero ngayon kasi, nung Christmas party kasi, though it's March, parang March na ngayon, pero nung Christmas party kasi namin, nasa wishlist ko yung album or merch actually, merchandise ni Ayu. Ngayon, ang binigay sa akin, buti na lang at lilac din naman, lilac album, pero the lilac version or the black version. So, ito yung i-unbox natin. And ito siya. Nakarap pa siya sa maraming wrapper. Yan. Ito yung laman ng box. So, puno natin yung dito at wala tayong paki sa box. Talagang may paki tayo dito sa album ito. It's the IU 5th album, Lilac, which is the Lilac version. So, let's see kung ano nasa loob. So, pero, una muna, may freebie siya. Ang freebie niya yata ay poster din. And I think it's pareho naman. Yeah, I think it's the same dun sa unang freebie din ni IU. Ayan. So, I think it's the same. Tabi natin, set aside muna natin. And, let's unwrap this album. Okay. Okay. Yan. This is the black version of the lilac version. Okay. And ito ang laman niya sa loob. 1, 2, 3. Tada! Ayun. So, halos same din naman pala. So, first muna natin ay ito. Which is, I think this is the CD. Yeah. No. This is not the CD. Why? It's not the CD. Where is the CD? This is not the CD. But let's see. Baka nandito sa loob. Kasi nakalimutan ko na, matagal na ako nag-unbox nito. And then these are lyrics ng mga kanta niya. Sige na. Tingnan nga natin. Basahin natin sa isa. Laila. Laila. Tama ba? Love me only till spring. Kuchitin goodbye. Flu, coin, and then bomb, ano yung bomb? High spring. And celebrity, this one. Lyrics is by IU, but it is composed and arranged of so many people. You my celebrity, Ichima non, Hurin Odun Sai, When Sunuro Kurin, Byolhana, Boy ni Goyong Ilhami, Mana, Aramdaw, Jimaya, you're my celebrity. Do, 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 celebrity. Yeah. Okay. And yun, credits. Yung credits. Yun lang naman. So, next tayo. This one is the next. And I think these are papers or something. Ayun. Meron siyang bukasan dito. And, yeah. Photo card. There's a photo card here. And, meron siyang greetings dyan. And ang greetings niya ay bomb. Guidega, Neki, Nege, Bongi, Wei, Dwei, Wat na, Bob, Wat, I don't know. Pero yeah, sure. Anyway, next is, oh, parang bago to. May ganyan siya. I don't know. I can't, I can't remember. Pero may ganyan siya. My luck. Yun. And stickers. Pero yung stickers niya, black version din. Okay. So, okay. Okay. Let's return it to its proper place. Okay. This one. The third one, I think this is the final one, is the... Oh! Kaya naman pala. Kasi, nandito yung CD. Okay? Ito yung CD and meron na naman siyang parang code name dito sa pero anyway, hindi ko na papakita. Yeah. So now, let's open the parang photo book or something niya. Bahay lang. Oh, ibang version niya. And next page, ayan siya. Next page, ayan siya. Next page, ayan. Parang meron siya pwedeng sulatan. Ano? Ayan siya, next page. Kasi, bye lang. And, ayan, mahihila na po siya mga kanilang. And, ayan. So, generally, ito lang naman ay puro pictures na. Pictures na. Sana all may ring. May ring na siya. Anyway. Yan lang naman. And the last. Okay, bye lang. Executive producer, production director, blah 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 blah. Bye lang. Bye lang. Okay, and this one is yung CD niya. So, yeah, I think that's it. Nabuksan naman na natin, pero yun, more on versions kasi yeah. So, lilac yung una, ito, lilac. Ngayon. So, lipat natin, dalawa, and tatlo. Tatlo yung naman yung mga boxes. And may free tayo. Ayan. Pero hindi naman ang kapasya. So, tada! Ito ang lilac. Hope you guys like it, and for more videos of unboxing and or contents, ito, just subscribe, like, and share, follow all of my social media accounts. That's it. See you guys next time. Annyeong!